Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are at Pokemania show at Bracknell. We're gonna check out some cards. I'm here with Viv. Yeah, so let's check out, see what we can pick up. So guys, just picking up some smaller bits as well. Got this Gengar and the Charizard Radiant. We're doing it for 20. Nice little deal. Oh, my mic's not even on.
They're the Meta glasses.
Yeah.
The minis together, they're good.
Yeah. I think you can only film for like 3 minutes, something like that. Yeah.
Problem with him is that he buys it 40% sells to 200.
Yeah?
So it's a Meta Glass for 40. Oh, that's me. Sorry.
It's that's the reality, right? Reality of a vendor, right?
That's how we roll.
Yeah.
We have to eat.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Appreciate that.
Appreciate it, thank you. So, guys, I just picked up Gengar, Radiant Charizard for 20, both of them. Nice little deal.